How to cut pomegranate with F& Sharp. My choice for this task is to grab the F& Sharp paring knife. To begin, we're almost going to make like a hexagon-like shape in the top of the pomegranate. You'll make about 5 or 6 cuts depending on your pomegranate, and then once you have your cuts all the way around, take one corner and peel it back. Look for the veins inside and use that as a guide to go ahead and make cuts on the outside, working from the top towards the bottom. Once you've cut through all of those ribs, go ahead and peel back a section and pop out the seeds. Working in sections makes this task much easier. Run your fingers all throughout each section and the seeds will just release right into a bowl of water. Then take a strainer and you're ready to use. Visit fnsharp.com.